Okay guys, I'm going to let you know right at the start here that this video involves an officer involved shooting and that it may be unsettling for some people. So I'm going to age restrict this video. That way hopefully it only goes to the appropriate audiences. So according to HPD, there was a prostitution sting in progress at Belfort and I45. This is an area known for prostitution, and they had undercovers set up there. The undercovers observed this guy in his vehicle talking to women. Talking to women. They assumed, based on the location, that he was attempting to pick up women for the purpose of, fooling around. He never picked up women, but apparently he attempted to. And that apparently now is a crime in Texas. Actually, there is something else I'll tell you about at the end of this video that is occurring in Texas right now that revolves around prostitution, but we'll get to that in a minute. The undercovers call in a marked unit to stop the guy. The guy runs from the marked unit and ends up hitting a freeway support pole. The doors on the vehicle, apparently he couldn't get them open. When you see him in the vehicle, he is reaching, okay? This is not a situation where he actually had a firearm, okay? They shoot him because he's reaching around in the vehicle. There was, in my opinion, based on what I've seen in these videos, there were other options. They could have backed off to a position of cover and waited for backup, and then they'd have had other options in dealing with the guy: ballistic shields, tear gas, whatever. Okay? The guy never had the gun in his hand. He's just reaching. It was in the floorboard. I said previously it was in the passenger floorboard. It's actually in the driver's floorboard, all the way up in the left corner where he really couldn't reach it. He's on the passenger side. Apparently he had tried to get out of the vehicle and the doors wouldn't open. This video will start with the criminal investigations division for HPD she's chief something or other, assistant chief or something, and she's going to start you, and then it goes to the body camera footage of the two officers that were on scene and did the shooting. Furtive movement shootings are bad news. They're bad news because you never know what somebody's reaching for. These guys assume he's reaching for a gun. They can't see a gun. They don't know that he's got a gun. He could be reaching for his kitten that was slung around in there and is meowing. Okay? When they're chasing him, he is in the fight or flight mode. He ran. He's scared. And then you got somebody in your face with a gun telling you don't move, don't move. It's very important in that kind of situation that you don't move. It's very important. All right, I'm going to move to the footage now.
Let me see your head! Let me see your head! We got one at gunpoint. Let me see your head! Hey! Hands! 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 Underneath 45 and Monroe. 45 and Monroe. Let me see your hands! Hands! Stop reaching! Stop reaching! Stop reaching! Hey, watch the crossfire! Stop reaching! Hey! Let me see your hands! 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 Keep him up! Keep him up! He's reaching! He's reaching! Hey! Hands! He's reaching! Shots fired! Shots fired!
Now that happened so fast I couldn't even count the number of shots fired. Was that really necessary? I mean, what if we fired a couple of rounds through the windshield into the vehicle, into the side, into the seat maybe? Give him the opportunity to know that he's fixing to get shot. Give him an opportunity to make a different decision. I don't know. But firing, I don't know, was that 8, 10 shots? Is that necessary?
Hey! Let me see your hands! 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 Hands!
Hit the door, hit the door. Crossfire, crossfire!
Let me see your hands! You got one on gunpoint.
Hey, let me see hands! 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 Let me see your fucking hands!
Let me see your
Hands!
hands!
Let me see the shoulders, hands. He's reaching, he's reaching.
Stop reaching!
Let me see your hands!
Stop reaching! Hey, watch the crossfire! Stop reaching!
Stop reaching, motherfucker!
Let me see your
Stop your
hands!
hands! Hands!
Hands!
Hands! I get in the door! Get in the door!
Keep him up!
Get your fucking hands!
He's reaching! He's reaching! Hey!
Get in the door!
He's reaching!
Ah!
Hey! Let me see your hands! 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 Hands!
Something I want to point out to you here. Do you see this? The door is blocked closed. He only has one exit out of that car, and that is that door over there.
Fuck! Fuck!
And there is the gun. He was on the passenger side over there. And that is, I did not get you the commander talking, but I think that situation could have been handled better. I'm not a fan of furtive movement shootings. If you can't see a weapon, you can't physically see a weapon in somebody's hand, I think it is a bad idea to be putting bullets in them. It's my opinion for what it's worth. You may look at that video and disagree with me, and that's fine. But I think we should do everything we can to not kill somebody. We should do everything we can possibly do to not kill somebody. That guy wasn't going anywhere. Let him sit there. Let him sit there till backup gets there. My opinion. I'll put links in the video to the body camera footage so you guys can go in and watch the entire footage right up to when the Union protector shows up. And, you know, good luck with that, guys. Y'all be safe, and thanks for watching.